Да жара какая, блядь, что-нибудь кинули кто-нибудь, да и все.
Another day, another Ukrainian attack. Vehicle repair plant Novotrans on fire in Kashira, Moscow region.
Да жара какая, блядь, что-нибудь кинули кто-нибудь, да и все. И, возможно, замкнуло, блядь.
The latest British Defense Intelligence update for Ukraine says that the average daily Russian casualties killed and wounded in Ukraine throughout May and June 2024 increased to conflict highs of 1262 and 1163 respectively. In total, Russia likely lost, killed and wounded in excess of 70,000 personnel over the past 2 months. The uptick in losses reflects Russia's opening of the new front in the Kharkiv region, while maintaining the same rate of offensive operations along the remainder of the front. Although this new approach has increased the pressure on the front line, an effective Ukrainian defense and a lack of Russian training reduces Russia's ability to exploit any tactical successes, despite attempting to stretch the front line further. Russia's casualty rate will likely continue to average above 1,000 a day over the next 2 months, as Russia continues to try to overmatch Ukrainian positions with mass. Fighter pilots of Su-27 jets launched AGM-88 HARM anti-radiation missiles at Russian radars and anti-aircraft missile systems in response to the attack on Okhmatdyt Hospital. The moment of the fall of the Russian passenger plane, Sukhoi Superjet 100, in the suburbs of Moscow. It is reported that the flight was a test flight after scheduled maintenance. 3 pilots died. Third Superjet to crash in 12 years, despite only 150 in operation, introduced in 2008. In Russia, another witness against Deputy Defense Minister Ivanov is dead. Igor Kotelnikov played a major role in the Ministry of Defense construction kickback scheme through which over $100 billion was stolen from MOD budget. He mysteriously died from a blood clot in the SIZO-4 prison in Moscow. Oh wow, how do you like that? Here's what the Tsargrad, the fiercely pro-war, Kremlin-linked oligarchic Orthodox Christian TV channel, has to say on its website regarding the July 8th missile attack on the Okhmatdyt hospital. Such enemies, Ukrainians, cannot be considered human. We must recognize this, simply and terrifyingly. There are no humans on the other side. Not a single person. Our missiles do not kill people. Not a single person. There are no humans out there. If we do not accept this as a given, if we do not forbid ourselves from considering them as humans, from pitying them and from saving them, we will weaken ourselves. We will limit our ability to save our children. We will hinder our path to victory. This is definitely not Nazism. Let's keep pretending this is not happening to Russia and discuss how Ukrainians are better off giving up to what Russia wants to do to them. Sanctioned Russian fascist propagandist Artyom Shenin's son, Dmitry Shenin, appears to be enjoying life in Pompano Beach, Florida, after moving there from Nashville, Tennessee. His father regularly calls for genocide of all Ukrainians. Russia bombs a pediatric hospital in Kyiv but can't provide basic infrastructures to its population. Novokuznetsk, Omsk, and Bashkiria were flooded. Kyiv is preparing to destroy the dams of the Kyiv and Kanev reservoirs. Russian Foreign Ministry spokesperson Zakharova. This is a favorite Russian tactic of the Russians, to accuse Ukraine of a crime Russia is planning to commit. This was the case when the Kakhovka HPP dam was blown up. The destruction of Kyiv hydroelectric power plant is one of the favorite scare stories of Z propagandists.
Мы обратили внимание на появившееся сообщение об исследовании так называемым мировым центром данных по геоинформатике и устойчивому развитию Киевского политехнического института имени Сикорского возможных сценариев затопления близлежащих территорий в результате разрушения дамб отдельных водохранилищ каскада Днепра. Кто-то скажет вещи обыденные, институт все-таки. Но я приведу факты. Дело в том, что в сентябре-октябре 2022 года этот центр уже моделировал последствия прорыва плотины Каховской ГЭС, а в июне 2023 года она разрушилась вследствие непрекращавшихся обстрелов ВСУ. Тогда в этом преступлении киевский режим, его западные кураторы поспешили обвинить Россию. Теперь объектами изучения упомянутого центра стали гидросооружения Киевской и Канаевской ГЭС. Абсолютно нет никаких сомнений, что режим Зеленского затевает очередную циничную провокацию против собственного населения. Зачем? Ну, очень просто. Чтобы затем опять придумать историю, которую будут навязывать международному сообществу с обвинениями нашей страны в совершении военных преступлений, экоцидии, заодно выклинчить у Запада новую помощь и, конечно, прикрыть свою террористическую деятельность.
UN resolution demanded that Russia urgently withdraw its military and other unauthorized personnel from the Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant and immediately return the plant to full Ukrainian control to ensure its safety and security. It was adopted with 99 countries in favor and 9 against. Belarus, Burundi, Cuba, Democratic People's Republic of Korea, Eritrea, Mali, Nicaragua, Russia, and Syria. 60 member states abstained. The assembly also called for an immediate end to attacks against Ukraine's critical energy infrastructure, following weeks of escalation. All the right words and no action.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.